How's everybody doing today? This is Ghost, back with 504 Tactical unboxing here. So I know what this is today. I've been waiting on this for a little while. This should be my CV Life 4-16 by 44 red-green reticle MPVO, mid-power variable optic, with locking turrets. You know, for 50 bucks, I really could not pass this up. And once I get this thing figured up, I'll be doing a video on mounting it on my 16-inch upper that I have to put on my setup. So let's see what we got here. And this is pretty nice, y'all. Shoot. Shoot, that's all right. Let's think about that. I like that the turret's back here. That's pretty cool. Yes, indeed. All right. That's pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see through it clearly, but there's a little shot of it. It is, yep, CV Life right there. And that's from Amazon. You know, like I said, it was $49 and some change, or, you know, so let's call it 50 bucks. You know, this is for a 4-16 with a 44 freaking base at the end. Oh man, that's great. So I will keep you updated